Welcome to this tutorial on tagging merged table cells in the Prep Tag Editor. Tagging merged cells is important for accurately representing complex table structures and improving screen reader clarity. To tag merged cells, while tagging your table, select the header or data cell that spans multiple rows or columns. Then, go to the Tag Properties panel. Set the appropriate row span to define how many rows the cell covers. Set the column span to define how many columns the cell stretches across. Repeat this for any other merged cells in the table to maintain consistency. These settings ensure the table structure is properly understood by assistive technologies. That's it. You've successfully tagged merged table cells using row span and column span in Prep. Thank you.